Let's see about the osteology of the sacrum bone. It has two surfaces. This is the anterior surface of the sacrum, which is curved inwards, and this is the posterior surface of the sacrum, which is curved outwards. This is concave in shape and this is convex. First, let's see the anterior view of sacrum. This round to oval shaped prominence is the sacral promontory, and this is the lateral part of the sacrum, and this is called as the wing of the sacrum. This lateral part provides attachment to the two innominate bones to form the entire pelvis, one on the either side. Then this is the linea terminalis. All these are the anterior sacral foramen, and these are the transverse ridges of the sacrum. This is the promontory, and just opposite to it, the tip is called the apex of the sacrum. These are all the important features of sacrum in its anterior view. Coming to the posterior view. This is the posterior view of sacrum. This canal is the sacral canal. There's a canal here, which is the sacral canal, and the opening of the sacral canal is the sacral hiatus. So this opening is the sacral hiatus. These foramen are the posterior sacral foramen. Anteriorly, there were anterior sacral foramen. Posteriorly, these are the posterior sacral foramen. These are the articular surfaces. As you have already seen, they provide attachment to the either innominate bones to form the entire pelvis. Next, this is the sacral cornu. That is the horn of the sacrum. And there are three crests in the posterior surface. One is the lateral crest. This is the lateral crest. This is the intermediate crest. And this is the median crest of the sacrum. These two are the superior articular facets. So these are all the important points in the posterior view of the sacrum. A quick review. This is the sacral promontory, lateral part of the sacrum, and the wing of sacrum, also called as ala of sacrum. These are the linea transverse ridges, and all these foramen are the anterior sacral foramen, and this is the apex of the sacrum. Posterior view. This is the sacral canal. The entire thing is sacral canal, which opens through sacral hiatus. This gives passage to the spinal cord. This is the sacral tuberosity, articular surface, posterior sacral foramen, sacral cornu, that is horn of the sacrum, lateral sacral crest, intermediate sacral crest, and the median sacral crest. And these are the superior articular facet. This is about the osteology of sacrum. Thank you.